That's number 4 from Timberlake.
Come on, buddy.
Podium, Pocatello. And from Weiser, on mat number 2 from the Forest at 120 pounds, returning state champion from Kuna, Michael Cook. And the returning state champion from Pocatello, Taylor.
Watch your legs.
Clear that tie.
Clear the tie, bub.
Pass out. Pass the elbow. The drag.
Watch the roll through on that.
Okay, get where you want to be now. Get where you want to be.
Clear.
He's trying to slow you down. Get where you want to be.
120 pounds.
Clear. Clear your hands.
You start. You start. You're clear. Where you want to be now. Where you want to be.
120 pounds. This is Jason.
Control that opposite side.
Wrestling from Boston, Johnny Kenyon.
Where you want to be.
Nah. Hey, Mick, he's going to try to tie you up. Just keep her open.
Shallow tie.
Motion. Snap it clear. Get your hand off.
Up. Nice.
Good. Get a wrist. Keep him down, Bob. Keep him down. Look for your tilt.
Keep pressure on it. 30. Bring it down. Bring it down.
Try to shake him down.
Okay, transition now.
Cross wrist it. Cross wrist.
Keep hip pressure. Hip pressure. Bring him down. Bring him down.
Get that cross wrist if you can.
I think we're going to have to go down with this force.
Good job.
Good job. Breathe. Get your air. Okay, let's go down. No legs in, Mikaru.
Explode your feet. Up, 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 up. Come on. Stay in.
Hey! That's a belligerent.
Come on, man.
Come on. You couldn't push that out any harder.
Try. 2 on 1. Up again. Get that arm through.
Shin.
High stick. High stick.
Don't grab him.
Get under it. Get under it. Get under it. Slide down. Slide down. Slide down. Slide down, Michael. Keep sliding down. Keep sliding down. There we go. Get that arm through. Get your arm through first. Get your right arm through.
Bring it up, bub.
Come on.
Bring that foot off the mat.
Come on. Shake him. Shake him.
Get those wrists now, bub. Dig one out. Stick it behind his back.
Come on. Come on. Dig it out, Michael. Work for it, bud. Work for it. Work for it.
Pick one side and attack it, bub. Move your hips. Move your hips for an attack.
Attack one, Michael. Spiral down. Spiral it down.
There, get the wrist.
1, 2.
Ah, you gotta be there. As soon as he gets on that.
Ready for it. Come on, dig it, dig it, dig it, dig it. Drag the butt if he comes up. Come on, Michael.
Bust him down again, bub.
Spiral him down.
Get that half deep. Get the half deep.
Hey, bring him down again. Bring him down one more time. One more time.
Get that wrist. Now shake it. Go to the crotch and shake him down.
Good. Nice. Dig it out. Dig it out. Good.
Lots of weight on his elbow. Keep the pressure on it. Hey, breathe, bub. Deep breaths. Breathe right now.
now.
No switch.
Careful there. Put him back here, put him back.
Look for a bump, bub. Or
Just,
drop to a single
just,
on that side.
Just. Come on, Michael, come on, improve.
Improve, Mick.
Improve.
There you go. Watch the shoulder rolls. Keep it in the slot. Get it, Bob. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Drive that side down.
Dig one, dig one, dig one. Dig one side. Dig one.
Pull that right wrist in.
Keep hip pressure on
Your right wrist.
Take it out of him right here. He's going to come up hard. Take it out of him right here.
Bump him, bump. Put back. Get a put back.
Pressure. Good. Good roll. Spiral. Adjust your weight. Roll.
Bump. Get him back to the mount, Bub.
Come on, come on, come on.
Bump him.
No.
Bump him.
Finish on top.
Hold that switch back. Good. Get a wrist.
Get a wrist. Watch him rolling. Get inside of it. Step inside.
120 pounds, your state champion.
Get a wrist.
Jason Johnson.
Take him back. Get near fall on him. No step over.